Welcome back to another episode of the House Whisperer Show. My name is Jack Milne, and it's all about information that I like to provide to every homeowner out there. Right now, it's still mild out, but our nights are getting colder. So the biggest thing that people tend to forget about are their water spigots, aka hose bibs. Now, I'm at the Milne Mansion here. This is my hose that I use for my detached garage. And if you notice, what I did is I just disconnected the hose from the bib itself. I didn't turn my water off yet. That's going to come up probably when I start seeing temperatures dropping into the 30s on a regular basis. Then I'll turn it off. But we're getting the chilly nights and the warmer days, so I still want to have the opportunity of reconnecting the hose and utilizing it for personal needs. Now, in a lot of today's new homes, they have what they call frost-free hose bibs. In other words, there's a pipe that extends into the building and does not typically require a shut-off valve. Being a professional home inspector for 40 years, I have seen those hose bibs fail. So when I was on site, if I didn't see an isolation valve, I recommended that the homeowner put one on. Now, there's two types of valves. So you have a gate valve, that's a righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, with a little drain cock on it. There's another style called a ball valve, and that's literally a lever valve. So inline on, lift up the wrist, you're off. Those are the styles I recommend, are the ball valves over the gate valves, because gate valves tend to fail as they age and they tend to drip. So I'm going to ask you to look at your own hose bibs and get it back in the house, and especially as we're starting to approach the holidays, turn them off, but don't forget to open it up outside to take the water out of the bib. So if you like the content, hit the subscribe button. Hit that like button. If you want to get a copy of my monthly newsletter, by all means hit that subscribe button again and we'll make sure you get it. See you next time.